if you have been following me for some time now, you may know that my gardening philosophy is not to focus on the plants, but to really focus on your growing environment. It is how well you understand your growing environment that decides your gardening success. The more you know, the better you become as a gardener. So today, let me share with you 5 growing conditions that make up your growing environment. If you can understand and manage these 5 growing conditions, you are going to see a lot of success in your gardening. Gardening condition number 1, light. The amount of sunlight and the intensity or the duration of the sunlight is very important. Some environments have only a few hours of direct sunlight, and therefore they are not really suitable for sun-loving plants. And also there are environments with very long hours of indirect or reflected sunlight, which can be like filtered light that can only be very suitable for certain foliage plants or leafy plants. So with the understanding of light, you will know what are the plants that you can grow and what are the plants you should avoid. And condition number 2, water. Just like sunlight, water is another very important condition to manage. The type of water, whether it's rainwater, tap water, it really matters. Knowing the right amount of water to give your plants is also very important. Condition number 3 is potting media, or refer to the soil that you use. Potting media can be draining or water retaining, or it can be soil-based or soilless mix. So knowing and using the right mix of potting media will determine if your plant will grow well for you. And condition number 4, that will be humidity. Humidity refers to the amount of water vapor in the air. Some plants prefer to be grown in higher humidity, while some plants prefer to be in a dry or low humidity. And wind can cause humidity to fluctuate, and some plants will just lose water very quickly and stop growing in such windy conditions. And of course, the last condition is feeding, or the amount of nutrients that your plants need to grow. So nutrients in the soil deplete over time as your plants absorb them in order to grow. So knowing when and how much to give, right, the fertilizers to use is very important for your plants to continue to grow healthily in the long term. So when you assess all your growing environments and your growing conditions, so consider these 5 growing conditions. Ask yourself if your plants need such conditions, or if you have these conditions, and what kind of plants that are more suitable or most likely to grow well for you. So you see, with good understanding about your growing conditions, your growing environment, you can easily avoid mistakes or avoid wasting time trying or testing which plants will work for you. This way you will learn faster and you will make gardening more fun and enjoyable. So if you want to learn more about how you can leverage these conditions and become a better gardener, download my ebook. The link is below. My ebook is called Grow. Inside the book, I will share with you an easy method that you can use to achieve gardening success using a certain method to combine growing conditions and turn them into very useful implementations. So click on the link below in the description and download it for free. And also don't forget, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.